Guys, do you know that sa una, I used to work in a car dealership, and usually when we have exhibits at the mall, I also get happy because I always get happy because there's so many prospects there, and then you know there's a big chance you get a sale. Pero karon, it's so funny now because in recent years the car showrooms are now in the mall, and today we're checking out one because Toyota Mabolo is opening their newest showroom, their premier showroom here in SM City Cebu. So come on guys, out on the lounge here, what are the models there and what makes, you know, a mall car showroom different from the other, you know, the normal showroom. So let's check it out and, you know, explore the different models of Toyota that's being sold right now in Cebu. So come on guys, let's go to SM because they now have it all. We're finally here. So hi guys, we're finally here at Toyota SM City Cebu. And we're gonna check out what are the, you know, models that are on display in this 4-car showroom in a mall. First up, we have the Wigo, guys. Very cute Wigo, the yellow Wigo, which is, you know, one of the top-selling compact cars in the country. And of course the classic Vios, which is also perfect for, you know, for a first car. And if you're looking for an SUV, we have the, you know, Fortuner. This is the 4x4. Very beautiful, two-toned, black and white. And of course, for pickups, Toyota's entry is the Hilux. That's the Hilux, guys. So honestly, Toyota is one of the most comprehensive, you know, car lineups in the market, and probably that's why it's no surprise they're always like the top car brand in the country. When it comes to volume, especially. So you know, one of the best models before, of course, the, you know, the Altis, the Corolla. Then if you want the bigger ones, there was the Land Cruiser and the FJ Cruiser, by the way, also. But here we have the 4 models. This is probably the 4 best-selling models of Toyota.
Since the pandemic, we kept on brainstorming with one another what would be the best way to help the economy of Cebu. So we decided to put up this premium lifestyle center to inspire not only car enthusiasts or people who want to aspire to buy cars, but all entrepreneurs, all business owners to open their businesses so that the economy can keep on running. We need to generate jobs. We cannot just all sit down, relax, and wait whatever would happen. We all need a concentrated effort to move together to keep Cebu's economy running. Hopefully, this lifestyle center would elevate everybody's and our customers' experience in buying and owning a car. A car is a very aspirational object for a normal Filipino family, and hopefully we will be able to deliver the expectations of all our customers in owning a Toyota vehicle and let their families experience the wonderful joys of road trips going from point A to point B and living life to the fullest. We would like everyone to enjoy their attendance here and appreciate the modern interiors and looking at the beautiful details. Thank you very much for coming out, braving the pandemic, and celebrating this momentous occasion with us. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. So welcome to Toyota Mabolo Lifestyle Center. This is a lifestyle center. Others are claiming that they have a lifestyle center, but you can see for yourself that this is a lifestyle center. Although we can just showcase here about 4 vehicles, we are inviting everyone to visit our showroom, our main showroom, Toyota Mabolo, that is in front of Carmelite Church, to view and appreciate more of our model variants.
I came across this statement in the Toyota showroom in Mabolo about Kaizen. Kaizen, which meant trying to improve, trying to strive for something better. It struck me because it was something that aligned with our values as a design firm. So our design firm is Urban Studio, and we have this very sort of maxim in the office that progress over perfection. We always wanted to improve on everything. More, it shows in our design that we wanted to really show progress over just striving for perfection. So we like to always improve in everything that we do, since that's what design is all about. So for the Toyota Mabolo Premium Lifestyle Center, we wanted to elevate the experience of being in just not just only an ordinary car dealership at a showroom, but to really make it a truly engaging experience to everyone. Since most of you might agree with me that when you go to usual showrooms, there's always a visual, something just go with the cars, and talk to some people, that's it. What we wanted to do this is we wanted to elevate the experience. So then we wanted not just the cars, but a truly multi-sensory experience. So you get a lounge. We want people to really know and experience what Toyota is all about. It's not just being just a car company, but also something that is more human, it's more engaging to everybody. So that's why we came with a very it's a lounging concept that people can come here to experience, to see things, hear things, we even taste things, and we just invite the whole experience that is Toyota. Since from what I've been researched, that Toyota is not just about innovation, but it also speaks to the human spirit. That's a very human element in that. So we wanted to capture that in the design. Thank you.
I think this goes to show that to open something like this gives us hope for a better future. So we've been through a lot. This is a really bright spot for not only for me, but for Cebu. That businessmen and businesses are really aggressive, and they're optimistic for a better tomorrow. So
that's what my son said. Joseph, Paul, Jeremy, and architect Joel, they have already mentioned some things which I will not repeat it again. And what I heard right now from other people, they said, why did you spend so much for this showroom, for Toyota? Invest a lot. It seems to me that maybe something's wrong with our head. Well, simply said, it's because we believe in our product, we have faith and confidence of Toyota, and then to make people feel that we're doing this, it's not only for our profit, but to let people say, oh, you're buying a quality car that will last, and also when you sell it, you have more value and appreciation, less appreciation than other brands of cars. So, in short, we believe in this product. So whatever we do, we'll probably do first in this wonderful showroom to make us proud. First, it's to proud also very proud from Cebu be first in this kind of development.
We would like to invite everyone to come and visit Toyota Mabolo's Premium Lifestyle Center located at the lower ground floor of SM City Cebu. This is the Philippines' biggest, newest, and most exciting showroom. Come here now.
So guys, there you have it. So when you're shopping for a new car right now, why not just go to the mall? Here, especially here, the lower ground floor of SM City Cebu, and you can check out some of the top-selling models of Toyota, and you can even schedule your test drive here. Mona, you know where to go when you're looking for a car also, so you can go to a mall now. So, diba? So thank you so much for watching this, car, automotive industry coverage via Calamity Cebu and ycebu.com. So if you're looking for a car, so you can also check out this channel, because we're gonna check out, the different models available in the market that would be perfect for, for everyone who's looking for a new car right now. Bye.